Hey guys, this is Alex from Beyond RV. Today we're going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to raise the camper, lower it onto your ute, and then mount it to your ute properly using turnbuckles. So yeah, we'll get into it right now and I'll walk you through it step-by-step. Alright, so today we're using the Rico Titan legs, and it's the same as your Happy Jack legs. You can raise all the legs together, lower them together, or you can control them individually. So as you're raising it, it's important to keep note of the level of the camper. You know, you keep an eye on the level of the camper, and you control it individually when you have to. So that's very important. I like to maintain an eye level with the bottom of the camper, just to make sure that it's sitting flat. You know, you're never gonna get even ground no matter where you go. It's a myth. It doesn't really matter how good your legs are, whether you use the Rico Titan or the Happy Jacks. You're always gonna have to keep an eye on it just to be safe. Campers are very heavy. You know, you're talking from 700 kilos to 900 kilos. You want to be in control of the full procedure. So just now, I noticed that the front was lower than the back, so I raised the two front legs a bit more to compensate for that and level the camper out a little more before I start to raise them all again at the same speed. Yeah, so when you back your vehicle into the camper, it's important that you get it lined up very close from the get-go. As you're coming back, constantly check your left and right mirrors as you go. You know, you got to take it step by step. Don't rush it. And then from here, it's pretty straightforward. All you do is just connect your turnbuckles up, you know, your D-shackles, and just fix it all together. When it comes to turnbuckles, you only need to hand tighten them. No need to use a multi-grip or anything like that. Just hand tightening is enough. Oh, you've got the spring-loaded ones, have you?
Yeah.
That's tight, man. This is where you hook it onto?
Yeah, just hang on a sec, mate. Let me have a look. Put on first.
Yep.
Right, so it pulls up the square.
Yep. Righto. Right, to do the ones on that side.
Okay.
And that's all done, and he's ready to get on the road. So just that easy, guys. Doesn't really take much to mount a slide-on camper once you get used to the process. Yeah, after you get used to it, it's simple, easy as.